Today, we are exploring a critical step for most of us, applying for our first credit card. Having a credit card is like wielding a double-edged sword. It can be a tool for building credit, earning rewards, and managing finances, but if misused, it can lead to debt and financial instability. First thing to do is determine your needs. Before applying, ask yourself why you want a credit card. Do you want to build credit, earn rewards, or maybe have it for emergencies? Understanding your needs will help you choose the right card. Next, you should check your credit score. Your credit score will significantly impact your approval odds. Many credit cards require a good to excellent credit score, but there are options available for those with no or low credit. You can check your credit score for free using credit score websites. For choosing a card, be sure to research your options. There are numerous cards out there, each offering different benefits, rewards, and fee structures. Here's a quick rundown. Secured cards. These are great for building credit. They require a security deposit which typically acts as your credit limit. Student credit cards. They are designed for students, often have lower credit limits and less stringent approval requirements. Rewards cards. They offer cash back, points, or miles, and are suitable for those who pay off their balance in full each month. When applying for a credit card, you'll typically need to provide a social security number, employment and income information, your housing costs, email and phone number. So have all that information ready before applying. Now that you are ready to apply, most credit card applications are online, and it's usually the fastest way to get approved. Fill out the application form with the required information and review it thoroughly to ensure accuracy before submitting. After submitting, you'll usually get a response pretty fast, like within a minute. However, some applications might take longer, and be prepared that you may need to provide additional information. If approved, be prepared to be smart about using your new card. Understand your credit card limit and avoid maxing out your card. It's also crucial to know your APR, the interest you'll pay if you carry a balance. Aim to pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. So be sure to use your card responsibly. Remember, the goal is to use credit to your advantage, so pay your bills on time and keep your credit utilization low, ideally below 30%. Also, review your statements regularly for any unauthorized transactions. A credit card can be a fantastic financial tool if used responsibly. It can help you build your credit history, provide convenience, and earn rewards. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Start by choosing a card that aligns with your needs and spending habits, use it wisely, and enjoy the journey towards financial freedom and empowerment.